Strengthening Faith 49. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Muslims often question how they can mold their life to fit their faith instead of molding their faith in order to fit their worldly life. One of the ways of achieving this is by always performing the obligatory prayers as soon as they occur for women, and to offer the obligatory prayers at the mosques for men. As establishing the prayers is the main pillar of Islam, which has been advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmizi, number 2616. When one performs it as described, it forces them to arrange their worldly activities so that they fit around their obligatory prayers. Whereas, when one either offers their obligatory prayers late or at home instead of the mosque, it becomes easy to fit the obligatory prayers around one's worldly timetable, which in turn causes them to mold their faith around their worldly life. The correct attitude will also prevent one from indulging in unnecessary and vain activities, such as visiting the shopping centers unnecessarily, as these often prevent a Muslim from offering their obligatory prayers on time or at the mosque. Avoiding these unnecessary things and activities allows one to mold their life around their religion. In addition, as offering the obligatory prayers on time is one of the most beloved deeds to Allah, the Exalted, according to a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 611, a Muslim should adhere to this habit and not postpone offering their obligatory prayers without an extremely good reason, which only occurs very rarely. If one desires to mold their life around their faith, then they must fulfill their obligatory prayers on time as soon as they happen, for women and men should fulfill them at the mosque with congregation. This will ensure they prioritize preparing for the hereafter, without becoming distracted by the excess of this material world.